Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here in this video, I will teach you how to plot the levels in the chart and how to trade regarding that things. Okay, here if you notice, I have opened a OTC pair. Okay, here if you notice what is going on, there is a momentum over there. If you check here, there is a momentum. Don't go against the momentum. So what I will do, I will try to follow the momentum. And if you notice here, I have plotted only few levels. One is a trend line which was breakout and market made a W type pattern, and again the market is trying to make a strong momentum. And if you notice the momentum candle which is continuously getting stronger, so that's the reason only I am continuing to the buyers. In this video, in the last, I will show you the examples of each and every pair. I will open few pairs. In that regarding, I will try to take trades according to the levels. See, here I have plotted levels. These are my next reversal areas. Let me show you the all levels. I have total 3 levels as of now, which are only horizontal levels. See, we got win. Just now the level has been breakout, which was I have plotted. Try to observe the levels, what kind of levels I am trying to plot. First, I will take few trades. Later, I will show you individually each and every pair. I will try to open and I will plot levels according to the chart. So try to watch up to the end. In this video, you may get more educational content regarding how to behave in the market whenever you are watching the charts. Okay, how you will trade, where you should trade, where you should not trade, where you should wait. Okay, I will show you all the points. See, here I have gone with sellers. Why? There is a strong level in the left side where there is a strong selling candle previously. So as of now, easily I can go with sellers. Okay, coming to the next candle. What is the next candle now? Here I have gap down first of all, so I will try to go with buyers. Why? The total trend tries to go up, so maybe I could get a buying candle instead. So I have taken with the margin of safety. Maybe sometimes the sellers may enter, sometimes the buyers may enter. And one more thing I should mention you, whenever I use a word 50-50, it's an alert to wait or you to continue. It's your own call. There is no sure at all, because sometimes some candles we should wait. That could be a confirmation, that could be a one more retracement. So these kind of scenarios no one can decide. So that's the reason I mentioned 50-50. Don't think it's not a quality trade, but there the thing shows you should wait or you should continue. That's your personal call. Okay, what I mean is there is no level, but if you want to continue or you should take risk here the reason. Okay, so that's why only I'm using the word. Okay, don't take it negative. Okay, see, here the sellers have been interested, and one more thing, I didn't find any buyers here, so still there is a gap and I don't have any levels. My next level is near the trend line, so I will continue with the sellers here. Okay, and one more thing, I will show you the difference between in the middle trading at the level trading, because in the middle you have a question mark whether it will come or not, but at the levels it will definitely be answered. Okay, so I will show you this point also. Maybe you should get clarity regarding these things, so try to watch up to the end. You will understand each and every point. Still you have any doubts regarding this kind of things? Yeah, you can comment. I will make one more video regarding this topic. Here there is a strong momentum, but I am showing the weakness, so I will try to go with buyers because it's a buyers area. Every time it is respecting. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I have gone with buyers as of now. And one more thing I want to mention you particularly, in the binary market we can't win each and every candle. One, we have a discipline, we should wait and take. Continuously we can't win each and every trade. You should understand this thing. Why? Because sometimes some candles will be manipulations, some candles will be continuation signs. These all things will come. So try to understand, and in the binary you can win easily, but if you have discipline, if you have trade the levels easily, you can win. Okay, otherwise take more practice, you will understand the market better. Slowly you can improve your trading skills. See here, we have gone with buyers, we got rejections and weakness, these all things, still the sellers have interested. So you can now decide with, you should go with sellers. No more buyers are interested in this level. See, so I will go now sellers confidently. See, you got all the signs, even weakness, candles, rejections, still you got sellers, means there are no buyers interested. So sometimes these kind of situations will come in the market. So try to accept all the things. Okay, here we can continually go with sellers. Okay, what is the next candle now? Do you follow the momentum, or you should, do you have any reversals? As of now, if you check the market, the candle is too strong. You should understand one thing, and we are in a momentum, so easily you can win this trade. And the next candle also, you didn't get any weakness as of now, so easily you can continue with the next candle as for sellers. So I will continue with the sellers now. Let me take the trade first. Let's say I have a level, no, still there is a gap, so I could continue with the selling here. Okay, here there is a level. Okay, still there is a gap, so my next reversal area will be that level only, so I have gone with sellers. Maybe this candle will fulfill that area particularly. We'll check what will happen here. Okay, as of now I have plotted only 4 levels which you have known clearly, which they are respected, you all know, and how I am placing the trades, try to check that also. And the levels which I have plotted, try to observe how strong they are, whether they are reacting to the market or not, you should check that also. See, finally we got win, but we got loss in the late entry. It's okay. Now what is the next candle? Here if you notice, I want to go with buyers here. Why? First of all, in the momentum previously we didn't get a weakness, but as of now we got a weak candle and rejected from the strong level which we have plotted as a buyers area. From that area you can expect at least one retracement. You can easily go with buyers. So that's the reason only I'm going with buyers. When you have clarity regarding trades, even if you lose also, you won't feel bad. Why? Because you have a confidence that you can recover the trades in the next candle. So that's why don't worry about losing in the market, because wins and losses are common in the binary trading. You should understand this thing. Whenever you're winning, sometimes you may lose. Okay, so try to understand this point. Okay, here I have two types of situations. One, there is a momentum. Second, I can expect one more retracement, but the sellers are strong, so I will try to go with sellers here, because as of now I didn't see any weakness and there is strength in the market also. So market wants to go down, so that's why I have gone with sellers. And one more thing I should mention you, in the downtrend you can get 1 or 2 retracements. In the uptrend you can get 1 or 2 retracements. So regarding that only we can trade. Sometimes you may get instant reversals, sometimes you may get one more. So here previously the level was rejected, so it could easily go with sellers. Let's see what will happen. Here the situations look like the buyers may enter. Okay, anyways I will continue with the next candle for selling. Why? Because anyways the market wants to go down only, but 1 or 2 retracements, it's a common thing. Okay, now I will go with sellers confidently, because in this situation we have no clarity regarding this kind of things. Sometimes we may win, sometimes we may lose. Okay, because I want to show you the each and every candle reality, so that's why only, even if I think I can wait and trade your perfection, but even I want to show you the reality sometimes, because I want to explain each and every point regarding these things. So that's the reason only. Okay, here the sellers will enter. Okay, what is the next candle now? Can you guess? Okay, let it close. Every time whenever you are trading, don't trade before the time. Trade after closing the candle, because sometimes it will be gap up, sometimes it may close exact at the level, so things may change. See here, I noticed one thing. The candle has exactly closed at the buyer's area and it was a gap up, so I could easily go with buyers here, because I don't think so no more, still there is a gap, maybe buyers will enter for at least, so easily I will go with buyers here. I think I have taken so many trades. Okay, this is the last candle. From the next candle, I will open each and every pair and I will show you the levels and I will trade if I get an opportunity. Okay. So don't miss the video because it may helps you a lot. So we will check how the chart is reacting. We'll plot the levels. We will get the trades. Okay. See, the buyers are interested because from the top the sellers have been interested. Now the buyers area has been entered, so buyers are showing their power. Okay, so finally we got win here. Yes, yeah, we got win. Okay, here we have opened a euro JPY pair. Okay, first of all we should observe previous thing. Here we have a downtrend previously, the trend line which have been breakout. Okay, now I will try to plot a horizontal level. Let me get a level. Okay, here the market make an U-turn. Okay, now I need a trend line. Why? Because market is in a trendy. Don't draw levels in the middle. You should draw from the beginning. Okay, let me adjust the level. Here I have plot a level which is a shoulder point. See, that particular level every time it is respecting. Finally, it has been breakout. Okay, now we need a present market situation. Let me go to the situation. I will show you. See, if you zoom in, what is happening? Market is trying to go down. So just now the level has been breakout and we got a retracement. Let me plot the level. See, reversal. Now what is the next candle? My next level is here. Okay, in the down. Now you can go with sellers. So if you clearly understand, I think you got the answer. Okay, so what was the market? Previously it was a downtrend. Market make an U-turn and uptrend. Even the trend line has been breakout, and now market just breakout. We got a retracement. Again the market has been continued to the next level. So easily you have gone with sellers. Why? Because market already the trend line has been breakout and it wants to go down. So that's why you are going with sellers. How can you say that you can go with? If you observe the trend, downtrend, you are seeing only one or two buying candles, except all selling candles. So by this you can understand. Okay. Okay, we'll take one more pair here. I will show you one more example in one more pair. Here I will close this OTC pair. I will pick one chart for your clarity. Binary, okay, Euro GBP. Yes, I will take Euro GBP. Okay, here what is the situation? As of now, overall trend is an uptrend. Okay, let me clear it. Okay, do you understand? Overall trend is a trend. So we used to plot a trend line. So we have plotted a trend line. Let me adjust. 1 second. Yeah, I have adjusted. If you check, the trend line is respecting continuously. Okay, and one more thing here, the present level and horizontal next one is here. Okay, still there is a gap. We are in a momentum. What is the next candle? In the momentum, still there is a gap. Who will enter? The next level is far. You have a confirmation sign, which is a continuation sign in the middle. Yeah, I can go with buyers, right? So I have gone with buyers here. So easily we can win. So you should understand the market in this way, because you may get better opportunities. Okay. One more thing, here I have plotted a level. Okay. Sometimes if the candle shows you continuously weakness, try to avoid in this kind of areas. Still here there is a gap, so I can continue with the buyers. But sometimes if the buyers are getting continuously weak, means try to wait on that particular area. Maybe sometimes the sellers will give you a retracement, but here there is no chance. The buyer will enter. It's okay. So I think you got two examples. If possible, I will show you one more example. I think you have understand the clarity about the chart. Okay. Even if you don't understand, try to watch again, and you need one more concept means I will try to explain also in another video. Okay. Okay, now I think we have taken two real pairs. Okay, I will take one more OTC pair. Okay, let me clear this. OTC, yes. If possible, we will trade on gold. Okay, let me take gold this time. Okay, I will take a gold. Here is it available. Okay, here what do you observe? Overall trend is a downtrend. Wow, what a rally it was. Really, it's good. Okay, now how can we filter? First of all, in the resistance, if you notice in the top, let me filter this thing. Okay, take a horizontal line, plot a level, and now I need a trend line. If you see here, you are seeing continuously lows. See, low, 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 and market has been breakout. Okay, and now we should zoom in because market wants to already in a downtrend and making a minimum level. See, if you notice, what do you understand here? Zoom out, even you check. What do you understand? From where it has been reversed, you should check this thing particularly. There is an area. Let me filter this area. Okay. Here we have an area. I will highlight the maximum touches. Okay. Here we have a zone. As of now, present market is working here. Okay, let me adjust the lines because it was a rejection already. So let me adjust the lower level. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, now market is moving in a red green pattern. Okay, so in these kind of scenarios, we have plotted horizontal levels. Let us try any trend line, whether it is working or not. Can we check? Yes, I will plot a trend line level. Here I have a trend line level where you are seeing buyers continuously. Finally, so I can go with buyers here. So that's the reason I have gone with buyers. So if you check the video clearly, you will understand how you will trade, how can you place the trades regarding the situations, how I have plotted the market, how I have filtered the area especially. So by this you will understand how you can check the trades, how you should trade the markets regarding the levels. Okay, I got the opportunity, maybe sometimes I won't, but we should wait for the right opportunity only. Why you are not in a hurry to take trades? Okay, just keep calm and check the charts and plot the levels, and you will get best opportunities. Easily you can win this kind of trades. Okay, see, I think we got win here. Okay, at last. Okay, I will do one thing. I will show you one OTC pair. This is not a OTC, it's a gold pair. It's a binary only. I will do one thing. I will make one OTC pair for you at last. Okay, let me show you what is the OTC pair. I have to check here. Let me check what is that. Okay, anyways, anything we can take, right? Okay, let me take something new. Okay, beam, something it's there. Okay, I have taken this OTC pair. Oh, here it's a gap down, so we can't take trade here in these kind of situations, so try to avoid. Okay, let me take one more. Okay, here I got one more. Okay, now we should check what is overall downtrend. Yeah, it's overall, it's an uptrend. Previously it was a downtrend. Now market make an U-turn. And if you notice, let me plot the levels for you first of all. Okay, what is the need? First of all, we need a horizontal level. Why? Because where the market is coming from. Okay, second thing, we need a trend line. As of now, I think there is no trend line needed because it's a horizontal area. Okay, here I have only one reason. I will go with buyers. Why? You all know, when the market wants to go up, so easily you can go. I don't have any level also to draw. This is not a correct one. So I have only one reason. That's why I have gone with buyers. Why? Overall, it is a momentum. In the middle, even there is one red only. So these all conditions made me to go with buyers. But I will say you one more thing here. Here, now let me give you clarity. If this candle continues, it's okay. But I don't have clarity regarding that trade. Why? Because that's a mostly working strategy, but sometimes it won't work because every strategy is not a 100% thing. But now I will teach you one thing. Here, just now the market made a retracement, two retracement, and now I got a trendline support. Second thing, I have a horizontal support. So this candle I could confidently go with buyers. I can say that. Why? Because so many strategies are there, but nothing is proven. But here the levels work perfectly. Maybe it won't work, but here we have three kinds of situations which suggest only to go with buyers. One, market is an uptrend. Second thing, the trend line is respecting. Third thing, previously the horizontals are respecting. And fourth thing, in the uptrend, two retracements, one or two only. That's it. Again, you can continue with the buyers. So see how different it is. So that's why I mentioned this point in every video. Try to trade at the levels because you will feel more confident regarding this trade. Okay. I think in this video you have got knowledge regarding these trades and how to watch the charts. Okay guys, got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.